Next is one that a lot of people don't really think about, and that is invoking a sense of progression in your checkout process. And to do that, all you have to do is add a tick ASCII icon. You can Google it and pick one up yourself. Add that to the relevant buttons. So you want to add it to the enter shipping address button on the cart page. You also want to add it to, you want to go to checkout and system. Taking a while to load, but basically you want to go to checkout and system, and you want to add it to complete order, shipping method, payment method, and anything else that appears in your checkout process as a button that they need to click to the next page. Basically what it does is subconsciously sort of suggests to them that this is the correct button to press, because this is going to take you forward as the arrow shows them. And that it doesn't make a big difference, but it is something that is definitely worth trying out and may increase your conversion rate.